Okay, today we have got a clogged or a jammed garbage disposal. We've got our tools. We've got our wooden broom handle, and we've got our Allen wrench that came with it. Our unit is under here. See that right there?
Badger?
First, badger.
It's important to know.
I don't need no stinking badger. Okay, got a jammed sink here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the end of this broom handle and we're going to kind of see if we can get a turn or two here out of this. I think there's broken glass in there. Get a turn. That's part one. Okay. All right, we take our Allen wrench here and we take our unit and we have our Allen wrench, and there is a female under here that we stick that Allen wrench in here and we give it a turn or two. See, that fits in there, and we turn it and it's pretty freewheeling. Okay, if you look underneath there you should be able to see it. Okay. Now we've got our tools. And we did our Allen wrench, we did our broom handle. Now it's time to put our hand in the sink and make sure it is freewheeling. Go ahead, Joe. I got my assistant Joe here. Go ahead and try it.
It's kind of tight. It doesn't really move
Make
that
sure
well.
I'm always pushing. Turn it off! Oh my God! Not too well. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad.
Can you YouTube how
I got
to
a
find the
Band-Aid.
best hospitals in the area?
No, we'll get a Band-Aid for that.
I'm
I
feeling
think
very
it's good.
faint.
All right, that's how you repair your garbage disposal. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
I'm Joe.